Wow, just kind of eating the leaves at the wood. This is kind of like the shears, that's the coat. They're like little keto goat. That's a white one. Black and white and black. And then keto. I'm gonna play with it. Yo! Oh man. I got here flares in my. It's tough.